Okay, guys, we have phase number 1. The kitchen almost done, and the first one, the fridge is going to its place. So we removed our fridge, cleaned everything properly outside. You can see the cabinets as well from bottom and up. Here is our fridge from this side, right? So it's clean and shiny, it's brand new. And we are going with Marina to push it back to its place. Okay, let's have a look. How does it looks like? Yeah, do you remember it was a little bit dirty after construction, right? But now it seems like very clean. Up and down everywhere. And also from this side to the bottom. Yeah, it gets like new life. Have a look one. It's ready to meet his new tenants here. Okay. Here we go. Let's move further. We have all cabinets here cleaned already. Range hood, stove. And the process is still going on. We will show you the final result at the end. Right, Marina?
Yeah.